How to change phone number in the Yahoo Mail app. Hello everybody, today in this video we will be showing you how you can change your phone number in the Yahoo Mail app. Whether you've switched up to a new number or want to update your contact information for security reasons, this guide will help you to do it in just few simple steps. So let's just get started. First of all, open up the Yahoo Mail app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in into your Yahoo account. If you aren't logged in, go ahead and sign in with your username and your password. After that, once you're logged in, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and you will be finding your profile here. Scroll down and select settings from the list. Just go ahead and tap on it and you will be finding different options to manage your account. So you're going to go ahead and tap on this manage account section. Just go ahead and tap on it. After that, you will be able to find all your security settings including your phone number as well. So if you've added your phone number, what you're going to do is it will show you the correct number associated with your account. You're going to go ahead and tap on change phone number and then enter your phone number and make sure it's correct, and Yahoo will ask you to verify the number to ensure it's yours. You can go ahead and type in add account if you want and revoke the earlier one, and here you just need to enter your new number and Yahoo will send you a verification code via SMS. Check your messages for the code and enter it in the app to confirm the change. After entering the verification code, your new number will be updated in the Yahoo Mail app. This ensures that your account is linked to the correct contact information. And that is it. Now you've successfully updated your phone to the Yahoo Mail app. So if this video helps, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe it for more helpful tips and tutorials. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.